Right now, someone is making their first $1 million, and someone else, they're giving up on their dreams. The only difference? One understands a simple truth, and the other is trapped in a lie they were told their whole life. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt stuck? You work hard, but your bank account tells a different story. You were promised that if you go to school, get a good job, and work hard, you'll be successful. But look around. Is that working? If you feel that pain, if you've ever wondered, why am I not further ahead? Then I need you to stay with me until the end of this video, because what I'm about to tell you will change the way you think about money forever. Most people never make $1 million, not because they aren't capable, but because they are following the wrong blueprint. You were taught to trade your time for money. But let me tell you something shocking. There is no amount of hours you can work that will make you a millionaire. The math simply doesn't work. $25 per hour times 40 hours per week times 50 weeks per year equals $50,000. Even if you doubled your income, you're still decades away. But what if I told you there was another way? A way that doesn't require you to be a genius, have rich parents, or even start with a ton of money. Making $1 million isn't complicated. It's just math. Let me break it down. You need 5,000 people to buy a $200 product, 2,000 people to buy a $500 product, 1,000 people to buy a $1,000 product, 500 people to buy a $2,000 product, 300 people to buy a $3,333 product. Let's look at real people who did this. Sarah Blakely started Spanx with $5,000 and built a billion-dollar company selling simple shapewear. Alex Hormozi built a $100 million business by selling high-ticket programs to gym owners. Pat Flynn made over $1 million selling online courses after getting laid off from his job. These people didn't have special skills. They found a problem, solved it, and sold the solution. Here's something they don't teach you in school. Money isn't real. It's an idea, a belief system. And if you understand how people think about money, you can create wealth faster than you ever imagined. People don't buy products. They buy transformations. They buy convenience. They buy status. They buy freedom. Think about Apple. Why do people spend $1,200 on a phone they don't need? Because Apple doesn't sell phones. They sell prestige, identity, connection. So how do you make $1 million? Here are 3 proven paths. 1. Digital products and courses. Do you know something valuable? Package it. Sell it. Someone out there is willing to pay. Online courses, ebooks, memberships. This is how people go from broke to rich without inventory or warehouses. 2. High-ticket consulting or services. If you have expertise, people will pay for shortcuts. Coaching, consulting, done-for-you services. Instead of selling cheap, sell premium. One $5,000 sale is easier than $510 sales. 3. Subscription models and passive income. Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime. They don't chase new customers every month. They get paid again and again. If you create something people need monthly, software, memberships, communities, you build income that never stops. Now, here's the hard truth. Most people won't do this. Not because they can't, but because they're afraid. They're afraid of failure, afraid of what people will say, afraid they're not good enough. But let me tell you something. The biggest risk in life isn't failing. It's staying exactly where you are. You don't want to wake up one day and realize you never even tried. Right now, you have a choice. Keep doing what you've always done and get the same results. Or Make a decision today to change your life forever. If you're serious about this, drop a comment. I'm ready. Let's build your first million together.